Our final award in the Spirit Division is the Sound of Spirit Marching Band Award. This school band brings talent, innovation, and dedication to school events. Here are the finalists for the Sound of Spirit Marching Band Award. The Pride of Earl, Earl High School, Earl, Arkansas. The Spirit of Great Oak High School, Temecula, California. The Dynasty Band, Ramona High School, Riverside, California. And the Wilburton Purple Pride, Wilburton High School, Wilburton, Oklahoma. And the winner of the 2016 Sound of Spirit Marching Band Award is Dynasty Band, Ramona High School, Riverside, California. The Ramona Dynasty Band has gained both national and international recognition. The team has performed in television commercials, played in venues across the world, and recently set the world record for the largest Monopoly board as part of an interactive, one-of-a-kind show. Most importantly, they bring their talent, innovation, and dedication to Ramona events year-round.